Earth Day Nature Mandalas, using nature to create art. What is a mandala? A mandala is a Sanskrit word meaning circle. Many cultures use mandalas for religious purposes, ceremonies, or celebration. Buddhists, Hindus, and Native Americans are just to name a few. Mandalas are symmetrically balanced design made up of shapes, colors, and designs. Symmetry is when something looks the same on both sides. Symmetrical balance that is round is called radial symmetry. You'll be looking at the following examples to notice what was used and how each demonstrates radial symmetry. But before that, we have an artist spotlight. Andy Goldsworthy. He's a land artist. Andy Goldsworthy is a British artist who creates art using things found in nature. After he has created his work, he takes several photographs of it since it is often destroyed by weather. Not all of his work, however, is symmetrical. Third, fourth, and fifth graders, you'll be watching a short video where you'll see some of Andy Goldsworthy's art. Here's our first example of a mandala created from things from nature. Notice the round pattern. Notice what happens in the center and how the design works out. This one was created only by using flower petals. So you might have discovered a favorite in some of those images. Now your assignment for Earth Day is to collect a whole bunch of things that you can find in nature. Acorns, twigs, leaves, flowers, pine cones, rocks, feathers, all these sorts of things will work. You're going to need a bunch of them, so you might want to go on a hike with your family to gather things. And then you're going to create your nature mandala using your collection. You can create it on your grass, on the sidewalk, on your driveway, or maybe on a big white piece of paper inside. Take a photograph of your design and send it to me so that I can post it on our Patty Hill Art Room Facebook page. Family help is encouraged. I hope you have fun with this Earth Day Nature Mandala assignment.